Hello everyone, this is Danny Brown. I'm here to teach you in English 1A. Today we're going to study the present progressive tense. Let me share something with you here on the screen. All right, here we have our screen. Present tense. Now present tense in Japanese is called genzai kei. And the present progressive tense is genzai shinko kei. Progressive is shinko. All right. Now, tense means time. Japanese use kei, katachi, which means shape, but English uses tense. Tense means time, present progressive time. What's the difference between these two, present and present progressive? Okay, which one means I am doing it now? Present tense means repeat action. Okay, it does not mean doing it now. We see the word present. Present means genzai, but it's actually not genzai. It's repeat. So present progressive tense is doing it now. So really present progressive is present. Now present tense, we have the example sentence, Danny teaches English, but that does not mean now. Okay, it means I taught English last week. I taught it yesterday. I'll teach it in the future. It's repeat. Okay, Danny teaches English. So that's many times. Present progressive tense means doing it now. Danny is teaching English now. Okay, really, I am right now. I'm teaching English. Okay. Okay, the woman eats sushi. Is that good English? Do you think that's a good sentence? Nope, that is a bad sentence. Why is that a bad sentence? We should say the woman is eating sushi. It's like, okay, many of my students, they make sentences like this, okay? The woman eats sushi, but we never say that. Eats means usually, often, always. Do you eat sushi? Yes, I eat sushi. I am eating sushi now. Okay. All right. Now, here's the special part of our lesson today. Special words that never take ing. This is very important, and this influences many things in grammar. So please study and learn this. Love. Love is a word that never takes ing. There are many words that never take ing. Can we say, I am loving you? No, we cannot. Why? Because love doesn't use ing. We say, I love you. I love you can mean repeat action, and it can mean now. Okay, need. John is needing some money. That's bad English, all right? We would say John needs some money. It's now, but needs. Why? Because like and need are two words that never take ing. There are actually 45 words that I will teach you today that don't take ing. Okay, this is happening now, but need never uses ing. Okay, let's learn 45 words that never take ing. From the Google Classroom, it says the PDF file, day 2, explaining words that never take ing. I want you to download that. If you don't have it, stop the YouTube right now, download it before we start working on it. Okay. Let me turn this off here. Okay, now we have this handout, day 2, explaining words that never take ing. Do you have that paper? Let's look at this. Here's page 1, the first page. Now notice here are groups of words. There are 45 words. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. These words here, all of these words are thinking words. You're thinking. know. We don't say ing with know. Do you know the answer? Yes, I know the answer. Not I am knowing the answer, okay? Because know doesn't take ing. Realize is kitsuku. Oh, okay? I realize that I was wrong. Understand, wakaru. Recognize. I forget the Japanese word for recognize. It's when you see something and you say, oh, I know that. Okay? Recognize. Believe, shinjiru. I believe you. Feel. Now, feel here, you can see feel here. You can also see feel here. These are different. Okay? This feel means believe. I feel that I should go home. Okay, it's a thinking. I feel. Suppose. Suppose means think maybe. I think maybe. I suppose you are right. Think. Now the word think here has two meanings. Think. This think is believe. I think you're right. Okay, it's opinion, iken. I think you're right. But notice that there is a star here. If there is a star, it means that this word, there's many words here, words with stars. The words with stars sometimes use ing if it's a different meaning. So think has two meanings. One meaning is to believe, I think you're right. There's no ing. The other think is a very active think. What are you doing, Danny? Shh, I'm thinking. Okay, it's a difficult problem and I'm thinking. Okay, iken de wa nai. It's not an opinion. It's active brain thinking, and that's ing. You can see some example sentences here. Here's think. I think he is a man. これがiken desu. It's not active. This is active. I am thinking about this grammar. Yoku kangaeru. Kangaeteru. So this is so omou, and this is kangaeteru. All right? And so this is not active. This is active. All of these are not active, and there's no ing. All of these are active, and they have ing. Okay, let's go back. Imagine is sozo suru. Doubt is utagao. Remember is oboeru. Forget wasareru. Want hoshi. Need iru. Prefer kanomu. Mean is sono imi ga aru. Okay, now none of these words take ing, except for think when it is active. The next group are feeling words. My feeling, love, I love you. Like, I like you. Appreciate. Appreciate is like, 私の感じはあなたは価値がある。ありがたいです。Okay, it's both 価値がある and ありがたいです. It's both. I appreciate. And there's no ing. Hate. I hate this mathematics. Dislike is kirai. It's not like. I dislike that. Fear. I fear him. Envy. Is that urayamashi? I envy you. Urayamashi. But envy in English is very bad. Okay, mind is kamaimasu. And usually we say, I don't mind, kamaimasen, okay? So we don't say, I am not minding. We cannot use ing, just I don't mind. Care. Care is, what is the definition of care? I'm sorry, I can't say that right now in Japanese. Okay, now these words are having words. Possess. Motsu. Watashi no mono desu. Have, aru. Own is like possess, own. Belong. Belong means I am a member. I belong to that club. Notice that we do not say ing. Now this word have has a star. That means there is one meaning of have, which is ing. Does it have an example here? Here's the example. He has a cat, no ing. It's aru or motsu koto. But I am having in trouble. それが経験です。I am having trouble. Now, with having, we usually say something positive. She's having a good time, okay? She's having a picnic. She's having a party. She's having a test tomorrow, or she's having a test now, okay? So this have is a special have. Have a picnic, have a party, have a good time, have trouble. Those take ing, but usually has takes no ing. Now be careful, there's another has, which is very different, and that's genzai kanyoke. He has eaten. Okay, この has はただ文法の単語ですから別なものです。けど注意してください。Okay, so now those are the having words. The sensing words is like kankaku, okay? Taste, smell, hear, feel, see. Now, taste has a star by it. Why? Because we can taste and be very active or not. For example, if it's a thing, this hamburger tastes good. Okay, the hamburger is not active, right? This pizza tastes good. The pizza is sitting there doing nothing. It's not active. And it's no ing. But when I am tasting, it's an action. That's ing. What are you doing, Danny? I'm tasting this. I think it needs more salt. Okay, now that's when you're trying to taste, okay? Now, if I'm just eating something and I don't think about it, hey, John. That tastes hot. Okay, that's not active. That's just suddenly hot, okay? It's not active, no ing. But if I'm tasting it for a reason, that's ing. All right, now smell is the same way. The flower smells good, no ing. But if I take the flower, oh, I'm smelling the flower. Oh, I like smelling flowers. The flower smells good. Okay, so that's an ing because it's active. Now here has no ing. Here there's no active ing. If you want to be active, that's listen. I'm listening, okay? But I'm sitting here, oh, I hear something, okay? I'm not active, it's just suddenly whoop, in my ear. I hear, okay? Listening is, I am listening. I am listening, I hear. Okay, feel. Now feel has two meanings. One meaning, feel, is kanjo. That's like I feel emotion, okay? I feel happy. I feel sad. Okay, there's no ing. But when I'm trying to feel, like I'm feeling your arm. Oh, your arm feels very strange. Okay, that is active. Now, see can be too. With no ing, it's not active. We say, I see that. I see, oh, I see the paper, okay? That's with your eyes. Now the active see is like a date. Do I have it on the paper here? Oh, this is a different see. This is the doctor is seeing a patient, okay? The doctor is seeing a patient, that's active. But also seeing can be dating. I'm seeing a beautiful girl. Lately I'm seeing her. I'm seeing Mary. She's wonderful. Okay, it means I'm dating her. All right. But here's another one with the doctor. He's seeing a patient. These are active, but this is not active. I see a butterfly. Do you see it? Okay. Now we have other. Okay, first we have thinking, feeling, having, sensing, and now other. These are just mixed. Seem. It seems true. Look. Now, when it's like mieru, okay, akaku mieru, it looks red. Okay, there's no ing. It looks. But if I'm looking, okay, like I'm searching, I'm looking for John, that is ing. If I'm not trying, if I'm not active, it's see. I see John. But if I'm looking at John, that's ing. Appear. Appear has two meanings. One peer is arawareru. Okay, that is considered. Just a minute. Okay, arawareru is usually active. A strange monster is appearing in my room. Okay, it means he's coming. Okay, but when appear means the same as seem, okay, then there's no ing. John appears angry. All right. Now this one is cost, okane kakaru, and cost is no ing. O means I must pay money, no ing. Weigh has two meanings. One meaning is right here in your example here. A piano is heavy. It weighs a lot. This is not active. But here, this is active. The grocer means the person at the supermarket. The man working at the supermarket is weighing the bananas. Okay, so weighing means hakaru, all right? And it's active. Okay, here's a cup. How heavy is that cup? I'm weighing the cup, okay? But I can say the cup weighs 1 kilo. Wow, that's a heavy cup. The cup weighs 1 kilo. There's no ing because it's not active. But if I'm weighing it, that's active. All right, be, now strange, but be can be active. Look at your example here. I am hungry. That's not active. I am happy. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tall. I am short. Not active. Here, Tom is being foolish. This means acting. Tom is acting foolish, okay? We can say to children, children, today you're being very bad. And it means your actions are bad. You are acting bad. Or children, I'm so happy. You're being very good today. It means you're acting in a good way, okay? And that is active. Okay, so you have to be careful because all of these and all of these here with these stars, they can be very active with ing or not active and no ing, and you have to be careful. So I want you to study these words, study these examples, and study these words. Try to remember them. We're going to do a practice, just a minute. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop this paper, and we have some practices for you to do. Okay, wait, let me go back to that paper. I need to go back to that paper. Okay, the paper that I just showed you, let me go back to it. This paper has 2 pages. Now here's the second page, and this is homework. Usually in the college, I give students this paper and they write the answers on the paper. You cannot write the answers. It's difficult. So this is what I want you to do. Look at the directions that I've written. Okay. Here we go. It says, write the correct form of each verb. Use present tense, genzai kei. Excuse me. Or use genzai kei or present progressive tense, genzai shinko kei. Okay, so you have to be careful. Do this for homework. You do not need to send this to Danny. Don't give this to me on Google Classroom. Just do it at home and keep it. But I will give you the answers next week in class. So next week, I want you to do this paper, and next week I'll tell you the answers and you can check your answers. Now, I think it's good for you to get a piece of paper, okay? Get a piece of paper, get yourself a pen. Here we go. We have number 2 right here. This is number 2. Look. So you write number 2 and you write, look, it began. Would you say it begins to rain or it is beginning to rain? Okay, well, it's right now. Yeah. Look. Look means right now. Look, it. Now, does begin take ing? It's right now. If begin is begin on this list, no, begin is not on this list. That means it's a usual word. And if it's now, usual words take ing. So we will write number 1, beginning. Is beginning. It is beginning to rain. Unfortunately means zanen desu ga. Unfortunately, my umbrella. Okay, this is arakoto. And so the have can be, here's have, right here. It can be active or not active. If it's arakoto, it's not active, okay? So I'm going to say I not have. How do you say not have? We have to use the word do. I do not have my umbrella. So you write do not have. Tom is lucky. He wear raincoat. Okay, so it's beginning to rain and Tom is lucky now because he is wearing. Wear is not on this special list of words. It's a regular verb. So we're going to say he is wearing a raincoat. So for number 2, you write is wearing. So the answers are is beginning, does not have, is wearing for number 2. Now you write number 3 and you write those answers. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a lot. Okay, homework. Do this paper, but you don't need to send it to Danny by Google Classroom. Just do it, and next week I'll tell you the answers. All right, that's one homework. Now I'm going to stop sharing and share another paper. Okay, now, right now, during our class today, whoops, what happened? That's the wrong paper, excuse me. During class today, I want you to get, well, I'm having some trouble here. Okay, I believe I've got it now. All right, now this is the next paper, and the name of this paper is Day 2, Practice Words That Never Take ing PDF, okay? Now, I also sent that paper to you in a doc file, DOCX file. That's MS Word. So you can use the PDF file or you can use the MS Word file. If you use the MS Word file, I want you, when you write your answers, please erase this line. Erase it and type your X, okay? Don't leave all these terrible looking lines, all right? Just a minute. Okay, So I'm going to show you this with an MS Word file. This is the same. This is a DOCX file, MS Word. Here we have the directions. T equals thinking word, like know, understand, remember. S is a sense word, like taste, feel, hear, smell. F is a feeling word, like love, like, hate. O is sonohokani, other, any other word. P is possession, like have, aru, motsu, toka. Okay, so what we do is, oops, you've got your line here, okay? And I want you to erase the line and write your answer. Now, what is appear? Appear is from other, O, okay? Appreciate, what's appreciate? Appreciate is a feeling, kansha. Okay, so we're gonna put, F for feeling. Oops, just a minute. There you go. Now B is, I believe it's other. Okay, believe is a thinking word, so we're gonna put T. Okay, so there you go. So if you're using the docx file, I want you to erase these lines. Don't leave these big lines, and put these words here, all right? Now, next, choose present. Okay, I'm gonna stop and change files again. I really like the PDF a lot better. Just a minute. Okay. I like the PDF a lot better, so I'm gonna go back to that PDF. Okay. All right, so here is the PDF. Next, we have a ghost. Now on the PDF file, you can just type, click and type, okay? Up here would be other, all right? Now here, with these words, you have these words here, appear, appear, be, feel, feel, have. One of these is active and one of these is not. For example, choose present, eats, or present progressive, is eating. Examples, I'm thinking about my girlfriend. Okay, that's very active. My girlfriend, I'm thinking, kangaeteru. So that is ing. I think my girlfriend is wonderful. So omo, sono iken ga aru. Okay, so that is not active. And so we don't put ing. A ghost, to me now. So please run to my room fast. Okay, it sounds like, oh, okay, is that active or not? If it's active, you say a ghost is appearing, all right? If you think it's not active, you say a ghost appears, all right? Which is the correct answer? You have to decide. This car, would it be is appearing broken or appears broken? Okay, look back at the paper that I taught you with. It shows the difference between the two. And you choose appears or appearing for these two. And I'll do that for all of these. You have to decide if you need ing or not. This paper, day 2, practice words that never take ing. I want you to do that now. I want you to do it slowly and carefully. Don't rush. Do it best job you can. I want it perfect. Then you send that to me by Google. You finish this paper before class is finished. I want you to start working on another paper. Okay, this next paper is called Day 2 Homework, Writing Words That Never Take ing. This is homework, but you can do this during class time if you finish your practice paper early. Writing words that never take ing. Write your own new sentence using each word below in an active way. Active is ing, and in an inactive way. In means not active way. That's no ing, okay? In each sentence, it is something that is happening now. Send this paper back to me by Google Classroom. Okay, you should send this paper to me. Just a minute. Okay, so you should send this paper to me. Let me share this again. Send this paper to me before Monday, May 25th. Okay, Getsuyobi Nijugo, Gogatsu no Nijugo Nichi Goji, Yoru Goji Maini. Okay, so send this to me before Monday, May 25th, 5 o'clock. Okay, now it says people using smartphones. If it seems easier, you can write your sentences by hand on another piece of paper. You can get another paper, write it, your answers, then take a photo of that paper and send it to me by Google Classroom. Or you can use another way if you can think of. If you can do something else on your smartphone, it's okay. Just write the answers. For example, on your paper, you can write 1, taste, active. And this is an example. I am tasting the ice cream to see if it is chocolate or vanilla. Okay, you want to use the word taste in an active sentence. Active uses ing. I am tasting ice cream. Okay. Now, inactive, that's not active. And that has no ing. The milk tastes sour. I think it's old. Now, you have to use your imagination. Please do not get a dictionary and copy sentences from a dictionary or a grammar book. I want you to use your own imagination and try to make your own new sentences. And for you with a smartphone, you can write this on a piece of paper if you want. You don't have to copy my paper exactly. Now, example, appear, active. Okay, active uses ing. John is appearing in a play this week. A play is engeki, okay? Drama engeki. In this week, so he is nervous. There it is, play. Inactive, not active. There's no ing. John appears worried. This is mieru, okay? Miteru or mieru. I think he has a test tomorrow. Okay, so you take the word be, you try to use it active. Look at the paper I gave you. It shows how to use be active. It means acting. You are being very bad boy, okay? Don't copy my sentence. Inactive, all right? Write one sentence for each. All of these, you have to write an active and an inactive sentence, and I want you to make your own sentence. Now, this is a PDF file. However, I also have the same paper in a MS Word file. Whoops, that's the wrong one. Just a minute. With an MS Word file. Where's my, here it is. Okay, there's the MS Word file. Now, with the MS Word file, wait just a minute. Okay, there's the MS Word file. Now, with an MS Word file, if you write your name, I want you to erase the line. Don't leave those terrible lines, okay? Danny Brown. And put your number, 17N999, okay? And then here, when you write your sentence, I want you to erase, if you're using the Microsoft Word, the docx file, erase the line and make a sentence. You are being very bad today. Okay? Don't copy my sentence. Make a different sentence. And so every time you erase it, and then you write the answer. All right? Okay, and then save it, and then send that to me. All right. So I think that's all that we need to do today. You've watched this YouTube. You understand the grammar. You need to study that paper that I've given you that shows 45 words that never take ing. You need to practice. You have 3 papers to finish. 1 paper for homework. You finish the, let's see if I can find it. Okay, there it is. You need to, whoops, nope, that's the wrong one. Sorry about that. There it is. Why does it keep giving me the wrong one? I'm very sorry about that. Okay, so let me start again. You have 3 assignments. The first assignment is this paper. You need to study this and try to write answers here. Choose if you need ing or no ing. Don't send this to me by Google Classroom. Just keep it, and next week we'll give you the answers. Okay? You finish this paper before class is finished. I want you to start working on another paper. Okay, this next paper is called Day 2 Homework, Writing Words That Never Take ing. This is homework, but you can do this during class time if you finish your practice paper early. Writing words that never take ing. Write your own new sentence using each word below in an active way. Active is ing, and in an inactive way. In means not active way. That's no ing, okay? In each sentence, it is something that is happening now. Send this paper back to me by Google Classroom. Okay, you should send this paper to me. Just a minute. Okay, so you should send this paper to me. Let me share this again. Send this paper to me before Monday, May 25th. Okay, Getsuyobi Nijugo, Gogatsu no Nijugo Nichi Goji, Yoru Goji Mae ni. Okay, so send this to me before Monday, May 25th, 5 o'clock. Okay, now it says people using smartphones. If it seems easier, you can write your sentences by hand on another piece of paper. You can get another paper, write it, your answers, then take a photo of that paper and send it to me by Google Classroom. Or you can use another way if you can think of. If you can do something else on your smartphone, it's okay. Just write the answers. For example, on your paper, you can write 1, taste, active. And this is an example. I am tasting the ice cream to see if it is chocolate or vanilla. Okay, you want to use the word taste in an active sentence. Active uses ing. I am tasting ice cream. Okay. Now, inactive, that's not active. And that has no ing. The milk tastes sour. I think it's old. Now, you have to use your imagination. Please do not get a dictionary and copy sentences from a dictionary or a grammar book. I want you to use your own imagination and try to make your own new sentences. And for you with a smartphone, you can write this on a piece of paper if you want. You don't have to copy my paper exactly. Now, example, appear, active. Okay, active uses ing. John is appearing in a play this week. A play is engeki, okay? Drama engeki. In this week, so he is nervous. There it is, play. Inactive, not active. There's no ing. John appears worried. This is mieru, okay? Miteru or mieru. I think he has a test tomorrow. Okay, so you take the word be, you try to use it active. Look at the paper I gave you. It shows how to use be active. It means acting. You are being very bad boy, okay? Don't copy my sentence. Inactive, all right? Write one sentence for each. All of these, you have to write an active and an inactive sentence, and I want you to make your own sentence. Now, this is a PDF file. However, I also have the same paper in a MS Word file. Whoops, that's the wrong one. Just a minute. With an MS Word file. Where's my, here it is. Okay, there's the MS Word file. Now, with the MS Word file, wait just a minute. Okay, there's the MS Word file. Now, with an MS Word file, if you write your name, I want you to erase the line. Don't leave those terrible lines, okay? Danny Brown. And put your number, 17N999, okay? And then here, when you write your sentence, I want you to erase, if you're using the Microsoft Word, the docx file, erase the line and make a sentence. You are being very bad today. Okay? Don't copy my sentence, make a different sentence. And so every time you erase it and then you write the answer. All right? Okay, and then save it and then send that to me.